underway in what is going to be one of the races of these Pacific Games. All of Samoa on their seats, standing by for a start in the 200.
Set.
The 200 final is away. The two great men of the Pacific are motoring. Banuve is going hard. Dodson is trying to run him down. He's got the stagger to contend with. Here comes Banuve. Can Dodson get him? Banuve, the flyer from Fiji. Dodson trying to finish off. He's getting to it, but Banuve's going to do it. Still to go. He's catching him. Banuve! Dodson second. Banuve! Dodson's gone. He threw everything at him. Banuve as well. They both dive for the line.
Wow.
I would say about 2/100ths of a second. They've tumbled over the line. Banuve has got a sensational double. Goes with the double he got 4 years ago.
And 4 years before that.
4 years, and so the reign continues. And for Jeremy Dodson, the king of the 200s. Look at the start. Dodson got a beauty, but Banuve absolutely gave it to him. He lit up the torches, put on the afterburner. Here did Banuve. Dodson, as he does famously, trying to run him down in the last 40 or 50 meters. But tonight, Banuve too strong, holding him out. Dodson throwing everything at him over the line. Banuve dips. Banuve wins.